Okay, good morning, Acharbas. I did upload some voice notes on the group, but I'm not sure that everyone's on the group, so I'm making these notes for the slides so I can upload them to my Unisa. The stakeholder mapping, I've had a few questions regarding that, and I thought it would be better to just show you what or tell you what you actually need to do. Okay, the objective of this whole exercise is so that you can understand who is your potential customer and then draw a stakeholder map of them so that you know who you need to interview in the next assignment. Okay, if you don't do this, you don't know who you need to interview, and you can't scaffold this into your primary, secondary, and tertiary stakeholders so that you really understand your problem. So to do this, the first thing that you need to do, and I say it's not like this specifically, I want you to do a virtual observation. I call this, oh, look at my picture there. It's making a funny thing. Okay. It's a virtual observation. So why do I say virtual observation? I don't want you to be all creepy and go follow people at all these places, but you can cyberstalk them, right? So go to social media, go to Google reviews, even Hello Peter, look on newspapers, websites, get informations so that you can know who, what, and where, and what service are they doing, what are they selling. Gather some clips, put them together so that you have a story of who they are. You can use this table. This is the stakeholder, this is what they do, these are the pains that I observe, and these are the opportunities. Now, you are between 3 and 5 in a group. So you only have to check one person. Somebody else checks somebody else. And then you put these together, right? Try to type a kind of a narrative and then you paste that into the generate word cloud tool that you want to use. And then you have a nice word cloud showing us who the stakeholders are. Okay. Now that you know, kind of followed them, something else that you could do is reflect, right? A short reflection on these people. What would a day in a life look like? And role play with your teammates, with your husband, with your kids, whoever you want to, and just walk through this process with that person so that you know and understand them properly. Okay. Then you draw the stakeholder map. Put your asset in the middle, put your primary, secondary, tertiary stakeholders around them, and understand how these interact. Okay. The colors, lines, and arrows influence these things. Show where the pain points are, show where the troubles are in this. Okay. The objective in the end is to make sure that you identify a potential customer. These potential customers would be the people that you are going to go interview in your next assignment, right? Then you understand their daily context, you know where to find them, where they will be, and this will help you going forward in HR Buzz. I hope this helps. Cheers. Bye.